So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and use the keyboard on your Apple Watch. Now, doing this is actually very, very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. But you're going to have to first make your way over into an area that allows you to use the keyboard. So what you can do is you can go ahead and find the App Store or find another option like iMessages or whatever. I typically just go into the App Store because it's easier. And what you can do is you want to find the search bar or find some sort of place that allows you to pop up that keyboard. Now, you can use this keyboard like any other keyboard here. So you can go and type in anything you want to. Now, it's a very hard process, but you can go through and if you want to type in H, like hi, I'm, whatever, you can just type in whatever you think. If you want to delete the previous letter, you can click on that backspace up there. And you can already have like a little filler thing right here that'll tell you like basically what you're typing in. And then from there, you can kind of just, again, just keep typing whatever you want to do. Now, if you want to use emojis, you can tap on the bottom left corner right up here, and you can use all the different emojis that you have inside of your iPhone. So you can scroll through here, and you can just basically find whatever type of emoji you want to use. So you can kind of, scroll through there and choose whichever one you want. Now, if you want to, you can also click on the bottom right corner if you want to go into your swipe typing. So if you want, this is your swipe typing. So now what you can do is you can just say like, hi, you can just start writing whatever you want to do. So that's a little bit of an easier thing to kind of do for the average person, I'm sure. What you can also do is click back into here and you can use your voice instead. So if you want to use your voice, you can also just tap into here and you can say, hi, I will be 4 minutes late. Something like that, right? Like you can just write down whatever you want to. And that is something that you can do as well. So there's 3 different keyboards you have inside of your Apple Watch, and that's basically how to use it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.